Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to protect your privacy and security on Instagram. First, open your Instagram application on your mobile device. Ensure that your Instagram application is updated to the latest version. Once you are in the Instagram application, locate the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and in your profile look for three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. Within the menu, find and tap on Settings and Privacy and tap on the Account Center. Within the Account Center, tap on Password and Security. Under Password and Security, tap on where you are logged in. This will show you information about the devices and locations where your Instagram account is currently logged in. Return to the Password and Security menu and ensure that two-factor authentication is turned on for added security. Tap on Change Password to update your password, and you'll be prompted to enter your current password, then choose and confirm a new password. Now go back and tap on two-factor authentication to set it up for your account. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred method of receiving security codes, such as through text message or authentication app and WhatsApp. This is how you can protect your privacy and security on Instagram. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.